What's going on, guys? Mechanical Problems Fixed here. Today we're going to be looking at the Bostitch 20 ply inspired stapler. Directions a little confusing. You can see where you could go wrong. Anyway, first, this is not where they go in. I was trying, when I was first doing this, lifting on this, and I almost broke it. So this is where you push down and stuff comes out, right? So what you do, what you saw was I lifted right here a little bit and I pushed so this could be exposed. Now, I don't know why, but then again, I tried to put the staples in this way, right? Closing it. Nope, you don't do that. You have to flip it over. Staples facing up. You put it in the slot and you close. Now, hope that helped. Do a little staple test for you. Just remember, like and subscribe. Hope this helps. Really do. Anyway, thank you for the comments on my last video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.